Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the computer aided drafting laboratory experiment number 5. Experiment number 5, create the 2D sectional view of the universal joint. Okay. Now we are going to draw the AutoCAD software. Now we are going to AutoCAD software. In this case, part diagram of the given universal joint. So in this case, we want to draw shaft. This is a shaft. This shaft diameter is 30 mm. Next to fork. This is a fork. And then we want to draw the another. Next we want to draw the central block. Next we want to draw the pin. We want to draw the collar. After that, finally we want to draw the key. So these six components we have to draw, and finally we have to assemble the universal joint. Okay. Okay. Initially, we want to set the limits and set the limit units zoom command. So already we set. Before I also set the different layers. For shaft, I want to create one layer. Now I want to select the shaft layer. So in this case, first of all, we want to draw the center line. So here we change the center line. So now click the center line, line command. Now we want to draw the line. For straight line purpose, we are using ortho command. So we change the layer here, layer. Then we have to finish the center line. After the diameter of the shaft 30 mm. Okay. Here we want to go to line. Here we change the layer by layer. Next we go to line. Click this point. Here we want to change the center line. Okay, center line to by layer. So now we this line. Now we click the line and I click this point. The diameter of the shaft 30. So we need a one half side is distance 50, and then give 50 mm. Then the length of the shaft they didn't given, so approximately we provide 100. Then we have to draw the line in downward direction. The shaft diameter is 30. We provide a 30. After that, we have to draw the line in rightward direction. We provide a 100 mm distance. Then we have to draw the line in upward direction. We provide a 15 mm. Then type enter. Okay, in this case, we consider the diameter. We saw the diagram, shaft diagram. In this, the one end is shape is like this. So we want to draw like this shape in left side end of the shaft. So we go to the diagram, shaft diagram. Next, we want for the purpose we use arc. In arc, I want to select the start end radius. So I click this point and click the start point, and here click the end point. Now I provide the radius value 25. Okay, now 25 mm radius of the arc was created. Next I want to select this arc and take mirror. Okay, mirror from this point to this point. Now the arc was mirrored. After that I want to take both arc in mirror. I want to take mirror in both arc. I select this two arc and go to mirror command and I click this point to this point, the axis, and then I want to click the exit. Then finally we don't need this line and this side arc, so delete it. So in this area we want to hatching. Okay, for hatching purpose we click here and hatch this portion. Okay, hatch this portion. Now we close the hatch creation. Next, finally, we consider the shaft. In this case, in 4 mm, they take a keyway. Okay? They take keyway in 4 mm from the top. Okay, so we select this line and take offset. The offset distance is 4 mm from the bottom of the line. Okay, next we select this line in 80 mm. So we give the distance 80 approximately. So then we complete the offset. Next we want to take a trim. So we provide a trim. So this line we don't need. So trim this line, and this line also we don't need, just trim this line. Next we want to take fillet, this portion we want to take fillet. So we go to click fillet command and select this portion and this portion. In this case we want to take we need radius. So in this problem they didn't given the radius, so we want to take approximate radius. So I provide radius. I provide the radius in 4 mm. In this case, next click this line and also click this line. So 4 mm radius of fillet line was created. Next, this portion, this line and these lines are in dashed line, hidden line. So we select this line and go to the settings, line settings, and we select dashed. Now we complete the shaft. Okay, in this diagram, in this concept, we have to reduce the center line. Okay, in this diagram, we want to need a two number of shaft. So already we complete this one shape of diagram. Then we select this shaft and take mirror. Okay, select the shaft and take mirror from the center point, from this center line. So now created the another one shaft. Okay, now with the shaft, next we have to draw the next we want to draw the fork. In this case, this is a fork components. So in this case, we want to draw the center line. For center line, we select this, copy this center line, and draw the center line from this point to, okay, so copy and Control P. Copy the center line. Next, we want to draw another one line from this point to this point. So this is the center line. So select layer center in color in also block. Okay. So consider the block. This distance is 56 mm. The center point, this height is 28. So already we create one layer for fork. We select this fork. Okay, next we want to select the line. From this point, the height of the line is 28. Okay, total height is 56. So one half of the distance is 28. Then click enter. Then this distance we click enter. Then this distance we want to measure. In this case, we consider, okay, from the center point, the outer radius is 15 mm. So that distance also in 15 mm. Select line command and I click the line from this point to rightward reduction 15 mm. 15 mm, click enter. Next, we draw the diagram in upward direction 16 mm. So this distance is 16 mm. So click 16 mm. Then go to rightward direction. Also 15. I think what's the diameter? I think this from the center point. Okay, here the diameter 15. So 15 mm distance. In this case, we need a 15 mm. Then click enter. After that, we measure the center point. Okay, from this point to this distance. Here consider the diagram. This point to this is 18 plus 10 28. 28. So this point to we want to draw the 28 mm distance line, and then draw the line in downward. The distance is 16. Okay, see the distance is 16. So we want to draw the downward line. So 16 mm, draw the line. After that we finish the diagram here. We finish it. Okay. Next, in this case, we want to take this distance. This is a 16 mm diameter hole. 16 mm diameter hole means from the center point to 8 mm left side and also 8 mm in right side. So for that purpose, I want to draw the okay. First of all, I want to extend the center line in upward direction. Next, I want to okay. Next, I want to draw a line from this center point to from this point to this point. Next, click enter. Now I want to click this point, take offset. Here the 16 mm diameter, so I want to take 8 mm 8 mm radius to the left side. At the same time, I want to take 8 mm radius to 8 mm radius to right side, left side, and the right side I want to take offset. Okay. Now we erase this line, delete it. Okay, select. We select this line. Now this is so we don't need. We delete it. After we insert diagram. Now we finish the 16. This portion also we finished. From the center point, this distance we have to this line we have to draw. From the center point, this line distance is 18 mm. So we select this line, take offset 18 mm from the left side. Okay, select offset the 18 mm distance, and I click enter. I click the left side of the diagram. Then after that we have to take offset command from this point to this point. The total distance is 48. Okay, we want to take offset command from this point to 48 mm in leftward direction. We provide the value in left side 48 mm. We finish. Okay, then we use the command. Now we want to draw the line, and click this portion, and also click this portion. Okay, click enter. After we want to take the trim command. Okay, in this case we want to take trim command. Just for trim command, just type tr, type enter. uh, Okay, next we don't need this portion, just click trim. Next we want to take fillet. So from the trim command we give escape. Next we go to fillet, and in case we provide radius value r, and then provide the radius r, and provide radius 5. I provide the 5. No, 5 mm it's not enough. We need a 4. Okay, 4 mm. Just click enter. Now we select this line and this line. Okay, 4 fillet of the arc will be created. The same way, click the enter. So we need this line and this line. We need a fillet. Okay, see the diagram. Here the fillet happening. Here also fillet happening. So we fillet. Take in from the center to 30 mm diameter of the line. So for this purpose, we want to take line. Okay, in above all the diagram, we have to just move in a rightward direction, in above the direction. Just move the diagram. Just move command. The clicking point is from this point, this portion, okay, this portion to this portion. Click. Okay, all the diagrams are moving above the distance. Okay, now we want to draw the line from this point to this point. Click here. Next type enter. Okay, see the diagram. Okay, now diagram. The diameter of that is 30 mm. We select this line. Take the offset. 30 mm means above 15 mm. So we type 15 mm above the line. Okay, 15 mm. Type enter above the line. Okay. Now we want to take a keyway from this line to this line. So again we want to take offset. Select this line, and above the distance is 4 mm. Type enter. Okay. Now we go to hatching. In this hatching command, we select hatching. Select the hatching area. Okay, select the hatching area. This portion and also this portion we want to hatching. Now close the hatch creation. Now finish the half of the fork we finished. Next remaining half of fork we take mirror. Okay, in this case we select the object, select the portion, select all the portions. Okay, we select all the portions. Next mirror. Okay, in this case we select mirror, mirror command. Okay, from the axis we want to we provide the reference from point to leftward to rightward. I provide the reference and I click enter. Now we finish the four components. Okay, in this case We don't need these lines. Just select and delete. Just select and delete. This line we don't need. Here also, this line also we don't need. Just select it. Select and delete it. Okay. If you don't need means no problem. Just if you don't okay, just delete it. Okay, this line we don't need. Now we finish the uh, next, we have to draw the remaining fork. Determine that we have to draw this diagram. So in this case, we have to draw the reference line, and we use these two reference. Okay, just select Control C and Control V. I want to draw the diagram in this portion. Yeah, okay. Now the diameter of the diameter of this portion, this distance of this portion is 57. 57 means we have to draw the line. Select this line. So here we want to change the layer. Okay. Here already we select the layer fork 2. We select the fork 2 layer. Next we select the line. Click this point in a go move draw in a forward direction. It's a 57. 57 means we have to draw the one of means 30 28.5. Okay, 57 diameter. The radius is 28.5. Just click enter. Then we have to draw the line in rightward direction. Its distance is 10 mm. So we provide 10 mm. Click enter. Then we have to draw the downward line. The distance is 57. 57 and enter. And draw the leftward in 10 mm. So we draw the line. So 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm and enter. Then we have to finish the line. Finish. In this case, okay, we have to finish. Okay, and it's finished after the diagram. No problem, just move the diagram, this line, this point to this point. Okay, 28.5. The distance is 28.5. Type enter. Okay, type enter. Now our diagram always touches the axis. Okay, so we select this diagram. Okay, we select the diagram. The reference line we don't select. Okay, we don't need to select. Control, we remove the select. This line, this line, this portion. Move in a reference. Okay, just move. Move command, give move command and enter. This point to this point. Okay, click enter. Okay, now finish this portion. Okay, how we finish this portion. Okay, we want to draw the center line. Okay, in this case, from point to center line 18 mm. Okay, 18 mm. So we want to draw this line, and we want to take the line in offset. Take the offset 18 mm. Uh, 18 mm. We draw the line 18 mm. Take the offset. Okay, we want to select this line and take offset. Okay, we want to take offset in 18 mm. So I provide the value 18. Click here. So this I want to change this line. Okay, here I want to change this line in properties. Okay, select this line. Just click here. Select this line. This property I want to change. Match this property here. Okay, now I change the center line. Now we consider this diagram. Here we want to this diameter 16 mm diameter. In the diameter of circle 16 mm, we go on to select the circle and select the diameter center. So we choose this point and make the diameter. What is the diameter of the circle? 16 mm. Okay, 16 mm we provide. Next, we have to draw the another circle of radius of circle 15 mm. In this case, we select and center radius. So we go on to select the center point. We just escape. Correctly, we want to click in center point correctly. So we provide radius 17. I think what is the radius of circle? 15 mm. Okay, we provide the value 15. Type enter. Now we finish the circle. Okay, now we want to join the line. Okay, from click this point and also move the cursor through the circle means the tangent symbol will show. We click here. This tangent line completed. We click enter. So we want to draw and select this tangent line. Take mirror. Select the line and take mirror command. Take mirror from this point to this point. Okay, now click enter. Now we want to trim unwanted lines. So in this case we trim unwanted lines. So we want to trim all these lines, trim the unwanted lines. Okay, that's all. Next we see the reference line. In this case, okay, this portion we completed. Next we have to draw this line. Okay, in this case we have to draw the uh, remaining portions. Draw these portions like 55 mm. So from this point to this point distance we have to measure. From the center to this portion 18, 18 to this is 10. From the 10 this point to this point 48, we already draw the 10 mm. From this point to this point distance is 38 mm. So we want to take 38 mm offset. Okay, so in this case we want to take 38 mm. So we draw the line from this point to 38 mm. Just click enter. Now we want to take the line and offset 55. 55 means 27.5. Take offset 27.5. Click enter in above the reference axis and also below the reference axis. Now we want to finish the diagram. Now go to line and click this point to this point. Type enter. Okay, now we select this line and delete it. Okay, now we see fork two components. Okay, now finish the fork two components. In this case we want to mirror this portion. Okay, in this case we want to mirror this portion. We just draw the diagram. So just click and also reduce this length, reduce the length of the diagram. Okay, we select the diagram and draw the line in downward. Okay, we have to reduce it. Okay, that's all. After we have to select this diagram and also the trim command. Okay, we have to select. Okay, we have to select this. And now we have to take mirror or rotate. Okay, we have to take rotate. Select and click this point. Okay, in opposite direction means it's rotated in opposite direction. Okay, now finish the fork diagram. After that, you have to draw the central block. Central block in this diagram, we draw the central line, central reference axis. Next to the diameter of this portion is 30 mm. The inner diameter of the circle is how much? 6 mm. Okay, so we have draw the length of the component is 56. Okay, so in this shape, we have to use one reference axis. Okay, okay, we use this line. Select Control C and Control V. We have to draw the line here. Okay, Now move this diagram whenever we use the time we take it. Just select the diagram. Select the diagram. Just move this point to this point for the moving purpose of the object. Okay. Okay. Diagram also I want to. Okay. No problem. That's no problem. Now we have to draw the diagram. Here. Okay. That's all. Now we have to draw the central block. Okay. Now this is central line. So height of the line is 56. Okay. So we will draw the another one central line. Just copy, Control C, Control V. Just move, just keep it. Okay. Now we want to change the layer. In this case, we have to change the layer. Central block. In red color, we choose. Select the line from this point. From this point to height. Now for straight line, we use this line. We draw the upward line. Uh, 28. The height of the arc is 56. So we have to draw the line in 28. Type enter. Next, the point is 30 mm. So we have to draw the 15 mm line. We have to draw the line in this side 15 mm. So type 15 and click enter and draw the downward line. Okay, height of the line is 6. So we have to draw the line in 56. 56 type enter and draw draw the diagram. Here 30. Okay, the radius of the circle is 30 mm. So we finish it. We have to take the 30 mm, 15 mm. The diagram in this side 30 mm. Diameter of 30. Diameter of 30. So we click and then click line. Okay, click the line from this point to height 56. 56 and type enter and finish the diagram 15. 15 we finish it. Okay, now we delete this center line. Okay, now this center line. Okay, now finish the 30 mm. Before the center line we take a 16 mm diameter of hole. So we want to draw one center line and also take the offset left side to 8 mm and also right side to 8 mm. First we have to draw the line from this point to this point. Okay, click enter. Next set this line and take offset in 8 mm from left side. uh, Take offset, click enter. In left we click and also select the center line, click in right side 8 mm. Okay, in this case 8 mm. Sorry. Next we want to delete the center line. Okay, we want to delete the center line. Next we want to draw the circle. Okay, here we want to draw the circle. Inside diameter of circle is 16 mm. Inside diameter of the circle is 16 mm. So we select the circle, select diameter, inside diameter. Okay, from the okay here we want to take a 18 mm center line from this point. Okay, from the center line to we want to take 18 mm. Just click. Okay, we want to select this line. Take reduce the center line first. Okay, now we reduce the center line. Okay. We want to take offset. Select this point. The distance from the center point line to center line distance is 18 mm. So 18 mm we provide 18. 18 just click here. Okay, that's all. Now we want to draw the circle. The inner circle 16 mm diameter, the outer circle is 30 mm diameter. Okay, now we click escape. Go to the circle, diameter of circle. Click the diameter of circle. This point diameter diameter is 16. Inner diameter 16. We click type the 16 mm, and also outer diameter of the circle 30. Okay, see the diagram. The inner diameter is 16, outer diameter is 30. Select the circle and also go and select the center point. Specify center point. The outer diameter is 30. Outer diameter is 30. We finish the diagram. Next we go to mirroring command. Trim the unwanted lines. Okay, trim commands. So this lines, this lines, this lines, this portion, this line, this lines, and this lines we don't need. Now we finish the center block. Okay. Now we script trim command. Now we finish the center block. Next uh, we have to draw the hatching command. Okay, in this case we go to hatching command, and we select the diagram, the hatching portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion. So these portions are we want to hatch. Now after finish the hatch, click close hatch creation. Okay, now we finish the central block. Okay, after we want to draw the pin. Okay, in this diagram, this is a pin. Okay, the height of the pin is 100, the diameter of the pin is 16, the bottom head of the pin diameter is 25, the thickness of the pin is 10. So we want to draw the pin. So in this case, we have to draw a center line. Draw one center line from this point to this point. Okay, select the layer center, draw a line. Okay, here I want to use normal line. Okay, by block. So we select a line from this point to and approximately draw. Okay, click enter. Just we click the line and this point to this distance. That's all. This is the center line. So here we want to draw the top portion. Diameter is 16. So here already we set the pin layer. So we select the pin. Here we have to change by layer. Now we select the line command. From this point, the diameter of the shaft is 16. So this distance is center to this distance is 8. We provide 8 and draw the downward line. So in this case, we want to change the center line to by layer. Okay, by layer we want to change. So click the line from this point. This distance total diameter 16. So on the one side the distance is 8. So we provide 8 mm. Then we have to draw the downward line in a 100 mm. 100 mm. Then we have to draw the diameter of the shaft. Already we know 16. We provide a 16, and we have to draw the length of the shaft 100 and move in upward direction. Then we click enter. Then we have to change the rightward direction of the mouse position. We provide 8. Okay, now we finish the diameter of the shaft and diameter and the length of the shaft. In this case, we want to draw the bottom side 25 mm diameter. Okay, so thickness is 10. So we have to okay, we have to select. Okay, we want to draw the line from this point to the diameter is 25. 25 mm means okay, no problem. Okay, 25 mm diameter means this is 12.20 12.5. Okay, the half of the radius is 12.5. Just enter. Click here and down and draw the line. Just escape. Control reset. Now we want to select the line. From this point we have to draw the diameter 25 means distance 12.5. Okay, then click enter. Then draw the downward. The thickness of the head of the head bolt is 10 mm. So we want to provide a 10. Okay, then we have to draw the horizontal line. The horizontal distance is 25. Okay, the horizontal distance is 25, and we have to draw the line in upward direction. We provide 10 mm, and we have to draw the line 12.5. Okay, 12.5. Here we want to take a fillet. Okay, here in diagram they take fillet. So we use fillet command in bottom of the pin. So we go to fillet command and they click this point and this point. Okay, already we provide radius R, and the radius we provide 5. Okay, approximately we provide 5. So then we want to take a fillet in this portion. Click the line and then here we want to click. Now we finish the fillet. After we want to draw the uh, smaller circle. The circle diameter is 3 mm. From the top 6 mm distance we want the smaller circle. So we want to draw the 6 mm. This line we take the offset 6 mm from the bottom, from the top to bottom. Okay, from the top to bottom. Now we escape the offset. Next click circle, diameter of circle. Okay, we want to select this point. Okay, select this point. The diameter of circle is 3 mm. So click enter. Okay, now we extend the center line. Escape. Okay, in this case, we select this line. Click in out. Okay, now we finish. Now we finish the pin. After draw the collar. So in this case, see the collar dimension. This is the collar. The diameter of the collar is 25. The inner side diameter of the hole is 16 mm. Okay, the thickness of the collar is 12. Okay, in the center of the collar, we have to draw the smaller diameter of the circle, 3 mm diameter of circle. So we have to draw the collar. So just we go to collar command. So in this case, we don't use collar layer. So for pin layer, we use for collar. Okay, so we go to line command. The diameter of the line is 25. Draw the line and give the value 25, and give the thickness. Thickness of collar is how much? Okay, 10 mm. Sorry, 12 mm. Thickness of collar is 12 mm. 12. Next, this distance is 25. 25. Next, in downward direction 12. Okay, we finish the collar. Next, we want to draw the center line. For center line, we have to draw this point to this point. Next, we want to take offset. Okay, here see the offset from the center point, the whole diameter is 16 mm. So from this line, we want to take offset command. 16 mm means we want to take 8 mm to left side, and also take 8 mm in right side. We select this line, and this is we choose and extend this line. Okay. Now we escape. We select this line and try now. So now we have to use this line. The properties match properties to this line. Okay, escape. Now, now we want to select the center match property to this line. Okay, this is the center line we change. Okay, after we want to draw the another center line. So we want to draw the line for this center point. For this center point, okay, here we finish. Okay, we select this line. Okay, now we want to click escape, select the center line, select the match properties, and I click this line. Okay, now we finish. Next, we have to draw the small hole. We have to draw the smaller hole on center. The smaller hole diameter is 3 mm. So in this case, we want to draw the circle diameter from here. This point, the midpoint of the line diameter is 3 mm. We provide 3 and click enter. Okay. Now we finish the collar. Okay, now we finish the collar. After we want to finally we want to draw the pin joint. So select the layer key. Finally we have to draw the key. Okay, here see the distance. This is a 40 mm length. The right side its height is 80 mm. The left side its slope is 1 is to 100. So 0.4 8 minus 0.4 7.6. Left side height of the pin is 7.6. Right side height of the pin is 8 mm. So in this case, we have to draw the pin. Just select the layer and click the line for pin. The here download distance is 8 mm. This is 8 mm. Next, in leftward direction. Okay, in leftward direction is in this case its slope distance. Okay, 8 mm. The height of the pin is 40. Height of the length of the pin is 40 mm. Next, the 1 is to 100. Okay, so the 8 minus 0.4, 7.6 mm. This side distance is 7.6. Enter. Then click the point. Click this portion. Okay. Now we finish the pin. After we want to make a mirror. Okay, we finish the pin and then we want to draw a mirror command. We finish the diagram. Okay, now okay with the diagram. Then we go to take mirror from this point to this point. Click no. Okay, now complete uh, all the part of the given universal joints. Next we want to draw the assemble. Okay, in this case first of all we have to draw the assemble. For assembling view we have to select the component. Select the shaft. Okay, we want to select this shaft. Select all the portions. Then we have to move command. Click move and we have to click this point and of the R2 and the chair move and click this portion. Okay, click this portion. Now we assemble the shaft to the foot. After we want to draw the central block. Okay, after we want to draw the central block. So in this case we have to rotate. We have to uh, change this distance to this distance. Okay. Now we have to assemble the central block. So we select this portion. Okay, we to select this all portion. Okay, select next here we want to select. Okay, we selected all the central block. Now we uh, move command. Now we have to move. Just to go to move command and I click the point. Okay, click this point. Click click this point. Okay, to go and click the center line of the given diagram. In this case, okay, here we want to fix. Okay, here we assemble. Okay, the central block fitted correctly. Okay, no problem. Next we want to move and assemble the another 4 point. We select this component. So here we want to select the move command and click this center line. Click the center line and here go and assemble. Okay, for that Before that we have to move the pin and water. Okay, it will disturb the diagram. This portion we have to move. We have to move here. Next, what is it? Select this portion. Select and move from this point to this point. Select, move from this point to okay, now we assemble. Okay, now we have to move this portion, this component at this point. Okay, move command. Select the center of the circle, then move this component, and also we have to fix this center line. Now the fourth second part also fitted correctly. Next we want to move the pin. Okay, this is a pin command. This is a pin part. You have to select the diagram. Okay, select the diagram. Select all the points. Okay, select here also we want to select everything we want to select. Okay, now we go to move. Select move command and click enter. Click this point. Okay, click this point and move the portion, move the pin, and also fix this place. Okay, fit this point. Now the pin was fitted correctly, so this line we don't need, just erase it. Okay, no problem. Finally we have to erase it. Okay, for reference purpose we draw. Okay, no problem. Okay, next we have to fit. Now we fit the pin. After we have to fit the collar. Okay, we select the collar. So we select color, then go to move command, type M, and select the center point of the collar. Uh, Next we have to fix this collar in this point. Fix. Okay. Okay, it's fitted correctly. Okay, now we fit collar and pin successfully. Finally, we have to finish another one shaft. Okay, in this case, we select this shaft. And next, we have to enter move command. From this point, we select and move the component, and also we fix here. We fix this point. Fix here. Now we finish the another shaft in the outer side. Finally, we have to insert the keys. Okay, here we have to insert this. We select this key and select the move command. Move command we want to select. Just to select this point. This point, go and move this portion. Okay, here we want to fix here. Here want to fix here. Another one key we select in opposite side. Okay, another one key we have to select and move. Just move command. Click this portion. Click this portion. Okay, click this portion. Then go to the apple diagram. So we want to move here. Move here. Okay, this portion we want to move. Okay, this is a final assemble view of sectional and assemble view of universal joint. Okay, if any doubt means ask in comment box. Okay, these all are the parts diagram. By using this parts diagram, we have to draw the part diagram, and finally we have to assemble the final diagram. universal joint of the given diagram. Thank you, students. Thank you so much. We will see the next diagram in next class. Thank you.